Man, guys, this day is turning around. I mean, after a, good God, after a shitty week of just nothing but rain, and that one day, which was Monday, I got nothing this week. Wasn't expecting to catch anything this week, but hey, I'll take it. There's going to be an air show this weekend as well. But unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to see it this weekend. Nothing but Sunday. Most likely, that is if I can see anything. They're calling for thunderstorms this weekend, but hopefully the case will be better weather as they are predicting for. But in Reading, it's supposed to be a beautiful weekend, so like I said, be prepared for a vlog, as I said in previous videos, or my previous video with the C-130 flying over. Be prepared to see a vlog there, and you might see some plane spotting videos as well from Reading, but it all depends on what the conditions look like out there for plane spotting, etc.